Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how we can buy Pi tokens using this new buy feature. So currently I have 4.13 Pi, so let's try. So let's check the on-ramps or click the on-ramps, and then here I'm just going to spend the minimum amount. I think in my case it's 650 Philippine peso. So let's just wait for now. So currently the TransFi is the available on-ramp. And then I'm going to pay using GCash. So here we have banks. We can also pay by QRPH, and then debit, credit card, and then Apple Pay, Google Pay. So let's click Buy Pi, and this will redirect you to the TransFi application. Please create first a TransFi account. It's easy. You can just log in using your Gmail account. So let's try again. I'll click the Buy Pi, and as you can see here, this is my order. So payment method GCash, the wallet address. So you need to make sure that the wallet address is the address of your Pi wallet. So let's go back to my Pi wallet, and let's click the checklist, and here this is my address. So let's check if they are the same. So it looks the same, GD2PVWMY3. I need to look the last digit, make sure they are correct or similar. How do I... let me see. So the last is Z and then 3. Let's scroll to the last section. So as you can see, they are the same. So now once everything is confirmed, I'm going to click buy, and then this will redirect me to the payment methods or the payment page of the GCash. So I'm going to scan this to pay the amount. So now I already pay, and let's just wait for this to refresh. So it's now confirming the transaction. And as you can see here, so ordered payment successful. So the crypto is still processing. It says here 10 minutes to 2 hours. So I'm just going to wait for this one to finish processing. And here's my order details. So I should receive 26 Pi. So previously I have 4 in my Pi wallet. So I should should have a total amount of 30 after it is deposited to my Pi account. So let's just refresh. So I waited for I think 3 minutes, and as you can see, the crypto is now processed and delivered. So now I'm going to refresh my Pi wallet. So let's wait. Let's click refresh. And as you can see, my available balance is now set to 30. You can also see the transaction details in the blockchain. So it's easy and fast. So just try it now.